We'll take a look at some similarity between triangles and polygons and scale factor, enlargement, reductions. Let's start with a formula for scale factor. I like to write SF for scale factor, and on top I like to put scale for the scale diagram, and on the bottom I put O for original. So let's take a look at some crudely drawn rectangles. So suppose the length of this is 10 and the length of this is 30. So I'm going to label this as the original and put a little arrow towards the scale diagram. Okay? And the side that's 10 centimeters, say, and the other one that's 30 centimeters, those are called corresponding sides because they're in the same relative position. The 10 is on the right side of this rectangle, as is the 30. So if you go back to the formula, you can see that you take a part of the scale diagram. In this case, I'm going to put 30, and you divide it by the corresponding part from the original, which in this case is 10. And you end up with a scale factor of 3. So anytime your scale factor, if your scale factor is greater than 1, you have an enlargement, which makes sense. Okay? And we could let's change it up. Let's just say that this was 70. All right, so then we would go back to our formula, and instead of having a scale factor of 3, because the corresponding part on the scale diagram was 70, and the corresponding part on the original is 10, we would now have a scale factor of 7. Okay? Well, we can mix it up, though. Let's turn this around. Let's have the arrow going the other way. And this, I always do this. I always try to put the arrow going from the original. So we're going to make this the original now. And this is going to be the scale diagram. And we'll make this, say, 50. So this time you're going to put the 10 on top because you always put some length from the scale diagram on the top. So I'm going to put a 10 here, and the corresponding side is 50 on the original. So I end up with a scale factor of 1/5. So that would mean that the scale diagram is only 1/5 the size of the original. And again, as you might imagine, just as a scale factor greater than 1 means an enlargement, a scale factor of less than 1 means that you're dealing with a reduction. All right, so that's just a little introduction to scale factor. I'm going to show you how to set up proportions and also look at polygon similarity and triangular similarity in another short video. Okay, so I just wanted to start you off with scale factor. So remember, it's not San Francisco. SF is scale factor. I put SC for scale diagram, and on top, and the corresponding side of the original on the bottom, and that will give you your scale factor. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.